Bro, you gotta chill this micromanaging. It's getting weird.
I'm not micromanaging. I'm trying to keep us from sinking.
Listen to what he said. He didn't say you're wrong. He said you're on him. That label travels faster than the truth.
Eyes up, Alex. You don't win this by snapping back.
Micromanager? Already? I've had keys for 2 weeks.
Sometimes a new leader isn't fighting failure. They're fighting a word once somebody throws like a stop sign. And if you don't know how to respond, you'll either overcorrect or overcontrol. Pizza Post doesn't slow down because you're new. The orders don't care, the ovens don't care, and the rush doesn't care. And Alex, fresh keys, fresh title, fresh pressure, walked into Friday night like it was a test he didn't study for. Alex, internal.
Just keep it moving. Don't let it fall apart. Don't let them think you don't deserve this.
Maya, trainer tone, practical.
Alex, I stalked the line. We're low on wings again. If we don't 86 it now, we're gonna have angry tickets.
Alex.
Good catch. Let's 86 early, post it up front, and tell front counter. No surprises.
Jamal, quiet, trying.
Should I finish off the batch now?
Alex.
Do it, and set a timer. Don't eyeball it.
Jamal, heavy sigh.
Yeah, okay.
Here's what people miss about new managers. They don't start controlling because they love control. They start controlling because they're afraid of chaos. The rush hit like a wave. Tickets stacked, phone ringing, DoorDash pinging, customers leaning over the counter like they could will the pizzas into existence.
Excuse me, my order said 20 minutes. It's been 40.
I hear you. I'm checking it right now. Where's the Johnson order? 2 large, 1 gluten-free.
Marcus, steady.
Working. Gluten-free is behind 2 pies. We have oven space issues.
Alex.
Okay, swap those 2. Gluten-free gets priority.
Marcus, small look.
That'll push other tickets back.
It's already late. We're containing damage.
Tasha, watching the room.
Front counter's about to flare. That guy's pacing.
I'll take him.
Alex was doing what new leaders do when pressure spikes, tightening hands around the steering wheel. Jay, under his breath, to Jamal.
See? He always gotta touch everything.
Jamal, uncertain.
He's just trying to.
Nah, that's micromanager stuff.
What'd you say?
Nothing. Just you on everybody. Like every move.
I'm managing the shift.
Yeah, but like micromanaging it.
Silence. Not because everyone agrees, because everyone heard it. That's the moment. Not the rush, not the tickets, not the ovens. The moment a label enters the air, and suddenly the manager is the problem, not the problem. Alex, internal.
If I defend myself, I'm sensitive. If I correct him, I'm controlling. If I ignore it, it becomes truth.
Maya, low voice, pulling Alex aside near the cooler.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Alex, you're not fine. That word sticks, even when it's lazy.
So what do I do? Just let him say it?
No, but you don't fight a label with emotion. You fight it with clarity.
A lot of leaders lose their footing right here because they think the choice is control harder or back off completely. Those aren't the only options, but when you're new, it feels like it. Back on the floor, the team was still moving, but the energy changed. Alex's eyes started scanning faces, trying to measure who believed it. Tasha, direct but not harsh.
Alex, you want truth or comfort?
Truth.
Tasha,
Jay says micromanager when he feels watched. But also, you've been calling every step out loud.
Because steps matter.
They do, but people don't like being coached in public like they're failing.
Alex, internal.
So I'm supposed to let mistakes happen?
Marcus joins in calm.
Alex, you're trying to prevent fires. I respect that, but you're hovering like smoke alarm energy.
I'm trying to keep standards.
Standards are good, but you need lanes. When everybody's lane belongs to you, you'll burn out and they'll tune you out.
This is where first principles leadership matters. A team doesn't need less leadership. They need cleaner leadership. There's an idea from Stephen R. Covey that shows up here without people realizing it. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Because in leadership, when someone throws a label at you, your instinct is to defend. But defense doesn't create understanding, it creates sides. Alex didn't need to win the moment. He needed to find out what Jay was reacting to and what the team actually needed. Alex, internal.
Okay, understand first, but I'm not letting my authority get erased.
And that's when Alex made the most common move a new manager makes after a public label. He pulled back. Not because it was wise, because it was safer. Alex, to the floor, forced calm.
All right, everybody, you've got it. I'm stepping back. Just keep it moving.
Jay, immediate relief, a little smug.
See? That's what I'm saying.
Maya, eyes widened slightly.
Alex,
You can feel the shift, can't you? The moment a leader retreats without replacing structure, the system doesn't become free, it becomes fragile. Jamal calls out,
Alex? The dough is running low.
Handle it.
Jamal, I don't know the par levels for Friday.
Just make more.
That's not delegation, that's abandonment in a nicer voice. And the customer, still waiting, watched the whole thing. Customer, steady, honest.
Hey, I'm not trying to pile on, but I've been watching. When you stepped away, everybody looked lost.
We're handling it.
Maybe, but it looked like you were the only one steering. Then someone called you a micromanager, and you dropped the wheel.
Alex, internal stomach drops.
That's exactly what happened.
Customer, not mean, just real.
You don't have to control everything, but you can't disappear either.
That's a care impact mirror. A stranger reflecting what your team is too close to say cleanly. After the rush eased, Alex did the thing most young leaders avoid. He addressed it directly, not publicly, not emotionally, privately. Alex, to Jay near the dish area.
Let's talk.
Jay, guard up.
About what?
About you calling me a micromanager in front of everybody.
I was just saying.
No, you were labeling, and labels don't help the shift. They just change who gets blamed.
I'm just tired of being watched like I'm stupid.
Okay, that's real. Now hear me. When I correct in public, it feels like I'm calling you out. I get that. But when we miss steps, customers wait, refunds happen, and we all wear it.
So what? Now I can't say how I feel?
You can, but we do it the right way. You tell me specific behavior, not a word that turns the whole team against me.
That's leadership maturity right there. You don't ban emotion, you upgrade the language. Maya joins, supportive but firm.
let's make it simple. Jay, you want autonomy. Alex, you want consistency. Both can happen if we define lanes.
Marcus,
Alex, pick 3 non-negotiables you'll always check. Everything else, let the shift leads run.
Tasha,
And Jay, if you feel hovered, you say, "Can you coach me after the rush?" Not micromanager.
Jay, small pause.
Fine.
Alex, internal.
This is it. This is the real work, not pizzas, people.
This is the line between control and leadership. Control says, I don't trust you. Leadership says, I trust you with structure. If you're a new leader hearing that label, micromanager, here's the truth. Sometimes it's feedback, sometimes it's deflection, and sometimes it's a team testing whether you'll shrink. Alex didn't fully solve it tonight, but he did something powerful. He refused to let a label become a verdict. He chose clarity over ego and structure over retreat. Marcus, quiet, pulling Alex aside.
Alex, I need to tell you something.
Alex,
What?
Jay's been talking, not just to the crew.
Talking to who?
Denise,
and that's when Alex realized being called a micromanager by your team is one thing, but being labeled that way up the chain can change your whole future. Alex didn't sleep much that night, not because he'd been called a micromanager, but because he didn't know how Denise had taken what she heard, how it was framed, or what it would cost him if he stayed quiet. Because here's the truth most new managers learn too late. You don't just lead your shift, you lead the story being told about you. And Alex was about to find out what story had already reached the next level before he ever got the chance to tell his own. Some labels fade on the floor and others follow you upstairs.